Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Python and pip are ready. This prevents version surprises. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment so packages stay isolated. Then install the essential libraries, Pandas for tables, numpy for math, and matplotlib/seaborn for quick charts. You'll see that isolating the environment makes experimentation safe. If a package breaks, you can recreate the env. Now open your IDE, create a new script file, and import the libraries to verify the setup works. You'll load your dataset next. Use Pandas read CSV or read Excel and immediately call df head to verify structure. Once loaded, inspect dtypes and missing values with df, info and df, isnull, some so you know what to fix. Then clean, drop irrelevant columns, fill or drop missing rows, and convert date or numeric columns with PD to data time and a stipe. While you clean, make small, testable changes and rerun previews. This helps you catch formatting quirks early and keeps the pipeline reproducible. Now you analyze and visualize. Compute aggregates with Group B and Pivot table to answer your questions, then create plots using Pandas or Seaborn. Make sure to label axes and add titles so charts communicate clearly. Save figures for reports. Export the clean dataset with df to CSV and commit code to version control for reproducibility. If something breaks, check the virtual environment and package versions first. Mismatched library versions are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.